Raw material we use is grown by Mother Nature, and that can be challenging at certain times of the year. One of the big advantages we have in this location and in this country is that we have a very, very quick turnaround time. We can take orders this morning, process the raw material in the afternoon and have that on the supermarket shelves all around the country by 11 a.m. or earlier the next morning.